Want to find one of the easiest ways to access and organize third-party app libraries? Unlinked is a brilliant tool that makes loading apps on your streaming device incredibly simple. In this video, I will walk you through the entire setup process step by step, from installing the application to adding library codes. Welcome back to TechVibes. To get started, we need a tool to fetch the installation files. Open the Google Play Store or Amazon App Store on your streaming device and search for Downloader. Install the official Downloader application and launch it once the setup is complete. Inside the Downloader app, click on the main URL bar. Enter the specific download code or website URL for the Unlinked application and click Load. Once the web page opens, scroll down until you locate the direct download link. Select the link to download the Unlinked application installer and wait for it to finish. When the download completes, click Install to add the application to your streaming device. After the installation is fully complete, open Unlinked. On the main screen of the app, you will see an option that says Add Library. Select it and enter your target library code into the field, then press Enter. The custom library will load up instantly, allowing you to browse through all the available software. From here, you can explore various streaming, entertainment, utility, and media-related applications to find the ones that best fit your needs. To ensure all your new apps run smoothly and securely without any regional blocks or network restrictions, make sure to use NordVPN. I highly recommend turning it on every single time you use your device. You can find the NordVPN installation link mentioned in the description and comments below. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe to TechVibes for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.